Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay guys, look at what time of the year it is. It is officially almost Christmas time and I am so excited. We've already started shopping and finished shopping for most of our Christmas presents, so it was kind of weird. I was super on top of it this year and that never happens. So I'm super thankful for that. So, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. And, I just obviously was so inspired to just kind of do like a Christmas makeup look for you guys. I know a lot of people are going to their families for Christmas. They're going out of town. Maybe they're going on a trip. So I wanted to bring you guys just a really easy Christmas makeup tutorial so that no matter where you're going for Christmas or the holidays this year, you guys will be looking bomb.com. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see my face even more than usual, which I know you guys all love. All right, so today's look is going to be a little bit more on the more complicated side. It's not going to be super hard, but it's not going to be like as super easy as we've done it in the past. So just follow along and I'll kind of slow down a little bit to make sure you guys are following along, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to lay down a base color. And with how light my face color is, I want to make sure I pick something that is really light, something that's going to stand out and look amazing. So I am going to use my Lorac 3 palette, and I'm actually going to use this color Snow. Super light, and it's really going to pop on my eyelid, okay? So if you guys have like a darker skin tone, you're gonna wanna use something that looks really light on your face. So in this same palette, this would be a good option. That would be a good option. This would also be a good option. If you're a little bit darker than that, maybe this tulle color or a little bit of a bronze color, whatever is gonna look super light on your skin, okay? So I'm gonna take my little eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna dip it into this palette, and I'm actually just gonna coat my eyelids with this color, okay? Something that is just literally gonna pop on my eyes. Normally I would not use this color unless I was going out or was doing something crazy, but hey, it's Christmas time, so we want it to look really cool. Okay, see that? Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to use our inner eye color. So our inner eye color that we're going to be using for this video is from the Jaclyn palette with Morphe, and we're going to be dipping into the color Bomb Ass. Okay, and I just have this like little packing brush that we're going to use, and what we're going to do is we're going to just pack it on our eyelid like so. And I don't like to take too much color at first just to make sure that it doesn't get in any places I don't want it to. Okay. I'm going to dip in and use a little bit more. We're really just going to outline the eye with this. And we're going to bring it up a little bit further up onto the eyebrow, and we're just going all out. So we will add some more onto it in just a minute, but I wanted to at least get the red color down. All right, so here's where a little bit more of the complicated part comes in, okay? Nothing too complicated, just something new. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put down a base eyeshadow, okay? And we're gonna use a primer. Now I always use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and we're gonna use this like kind of tipped brush like this to where we can really lay this primer potion down on our eyes, okay? So it looks like this. We're gonna open it. It's just kind of like a beigey. We're gonna put some of this on our brush. You can tell I've used this before for a lot of different colors. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pack the eyelid with it. focus the camera so you guys can see. And we're going to continue packing this on the eyelid. And you can take your finger just like this. Or what might be easier for you guys is you might actually just take the potion wand itself if you want a lot and just kind of go like this. Careful not to get too much. But we're creating a kind of a cut crease eye. Okay, and we're going to take it all the way over. Okay, so here's the next trick to really make your eyeshadow pop. Okay, so we're going to dig back into the snow color with your eyeshadow brush. There we go. We're going to dig right back into it. And we're going to set it on top of the primer that we just used. Okay? Like so. And we're only going to go up to where we put the eyeshadow primer because we really want to create a difference between the white and the red. But can you already start seeing the difference? We put the white down as a base and it was just kind of like blah. And now with the white color, we're really, really toning it up. So it's really, really noticeable. All right. So I know it looks a little bit wonky now because we have really stark white and really stark red, but we're going to fix that, okay? So we're going to take this eyeshadow brush again. See if I can get it in the light. There we go. And we're going to dip back into your red color or your bomb ass color if you've got the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to be careful that we keep that cut crease. And so what I mean by cut crease is see that there's a difference. We've only put the white up to a certain point on our eye, okay? So I'm going to take my eye. And I'm just going to pack it on the top. Just like this. Just like that, okay? And then we're going to take our blending brush, so the brush we originally used to put that red color on, we're going to dip it back into the red color, not too much though, and we're going to go up to the top and we're going to blend it, okay? Careful not to blend it into your eyelid. Okay, you guys, so the last part of this, here's what we've done so far. So the last part, we're gonna add some sparkles. So we are gonna take, just like sliding this like I am into your DMs, this Stila glitter, and it is called the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And we're gonna take this, now this is in the color Diamond Dust, so this is gonna be kind of the whiter color. They have two other colors, they've got gold and they've got like a rose gold, but we're gonna use like the white. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the glitter on top of the white to finish out this eyeshadow, okay? So I'm gonna take this, and this is what it looks like. So you can kind of see, super cute. I'm going to take and pull my eye again, and we are going to put this where the white is. And we're just going to be careful to keep it only where the white is. And you can put as much glitter as you want. I love glitter, so I'm putting like a whole crap ton. So the last thing that we're going to do to complete this look is we're going to go back into our Lorac Mega 3 Pro palette, and we are going to take this color Pomegranate, or you can take a similar color that kind of looks like this. It's like a darker red color. We're going to take this eyeshadow brush We're gonna dip into it just a little bit, and if you get a lot, kind of shake it off your brush. And we're actually going to go in the crease. Okay, we're gonna create a little bit of dimension. All right, you guys, so that is the final thing we're gonna do. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, and then I can show you exactly what it's supposed to look like. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just did my other eye off camera and I just applied mascara, but honestly, this is it to the look. I hope you guys can really see it. But it's just a really simple look, and the trick was just getting that eyeshadow or that eyelid just right to where there's a clear difference between the red and the white, and then using that transition or like a little bit of a darker red shade to transition in the middle of your eyelid, okay? So really, this is a really cute look and really simple, especially if you're just going to your family's house for Christmas or for the holidays, or if you're just going out with friends or whatever. This look doesn't have to be complicated, but what you can do to spice it up a little bit is you can add your winged eyeliner or eyeliner on top of this and put some false lashes on. You could really kick it up a notch if you wanted to, in Emerald Lagasse's terms. But this is just how simple I want all of our makeup looks to look on this YouTube channel. I don't want anything to be too complicated. Makeup should not be hard. It should be easy, fun, and just fun to play around with. So let me know if you guys have any questions on this, but you guys, this was all for the makeup look that I have for you today for Christmas and for the holidays. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you guys love this channel, love everything that you're seeing, please, please, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring these awesome and easy just makeup looks for you. And I think that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye.